Good afternoon, 6-2. Testing out a screencast today to get you guys a little more used to what to do on KidBlog. So as a quick reminder and introduction, if you guys want to access KidBlog, remember you're not going to kidblog.org. You're actually going to kidblog.org/class/Hessler. Apparently, that was what was strange today in the computer lab. Once it loads, you open up the page and log in here. Most of you guys already know this part. It's pretty easy. You plug in your password. If you lose your password, you can always ask me. I can reset it. And you come to a page like this, probably with your posts, not with everyone's posts. And this is where everything is. On your posts, you should be able to find some different things that you've made, right? There's this little selection button here, right? Posts that you've published, posts that you want are set for review, for draft, for trash, whatever it might be. I'm just going to show everything for today. And you'll see this post I was working on a little while ago. This is a new post I was making. I just want to show you a little bit of what your options are when you guys set it up. So if you already have a post, you'll come here, you'll click edit. If you don't, you can, back on that home page, you can press new post here to create new posts. Back to what I was doing here, click edit, and here's my post, right? I have a header image that you can set up here, make it look pretty. In my case, I chose this wonderful library picture because why not? You have to set a title for every post. Again, if you want to be able to save your draft, you need to write a title here. So I'm going to set it Writing a Strong Paragraph. And you'll post whatever your post is. This week you guys are working on your essays, typing up your essays. You type it right here into this box. Again, most of you guys have already done this. You can attach files, upload, you can attach things from Google Drive, you can share links for websites. These help you format. You can make text bold, you can make text italics, right, underlined, and so on. You can change the size of your posts. You have a lot of ability to kind of customize, make it how you want it. You type up your post, and down here you have some more settings, right? You can set the color, different textures to set the background and what the background looks like. Again, you can choose whatever you want, whatever you think looks best. I personally like, where did it go? I like this one. So you can customize some different fonts. You can, for your title, right up here, that's my title font, Roboto Slab. Post font, I chose Ubuntu, right? And you can set different tags for the post. This is sort of how you, little keywords that you think are important. So mine is about writing. So I'll do writing, paragraphs, right? This is an anchor chart. I hung this up in our classroom. I've also set some categories. Here you have writing class. This is what you guys might use for what you're writing today. Book reviews. A couple students are already working on some book reviews. We have unit projects here. Some of you guys later on in the semester might take some photos and post up some unit project posts. And then free writing. Honestly, this is for whatever you guys want to write. You want to post photos that you make, take pictures of things you do. This is your chance to just kind of share that here. It's something we'll talk about a little bit later, but in this case, again, mine is about writing, so I'll choose writing. You could optionally choose multiple if it fits many categories. And my post is done. So from here, I can go up here. I have some choices. And again, I talked about this earlier today, but draft saves it so you can edit it later. Again, remember, you need a title set for drafts. Review this basically, so only you can see it and only I can see it. No one else can see it. You're telling me, if you click review, you're telling me, hey, Mr. Hessler, I want you to look at this. Tell me what you think. Let me know if I need to fix anything. And the final category is publish. This is when you're officially done. You can pin this post up to the top. I can. You guys might not be able to. And then you can choose who you want to see it, right? If you only want me to see it, you tap teacher. If you want your classmates to see it, you tap classmates. Connections let you share this with other classes that our class is connected to. Right now we are connected to, or that you're connected to, 6.3 and 6.1, for example. You can also choose public if you want anybody who visits our class site to see your work. This is in your control. I won't change this. I'll leave this up to you. It might need my approval first. If you're posting it public, for example, I have to look at it and say it's okay. But once I do, anyone would be able to see it. So I'm going to choose public just so everyone can see this. Who knows, it might be useful. And I'll tap publish. And we're done. There's my post. Right? I can go back over here. And right here at the top of the page of published posts is mine writing a strong paragraph. Right? Everybody can see that. And of course you can go by student. You can see different student pages. Right? You all have a custom page with all of your posts, but we'll talk about that later on. That's what this section is over here. Again, not super important today, but maybe it's something we'll explore in the future. If you have any questions, you guys know where to find me. You'll see me all the time. You can send me a message on ClassTing, and hopefully this helps. Thanks.